How are you? Devin and Matt, we got the team. Luigi, Sergio, Jose. These are the buyers from California, came in. We were speaking on the phone. We have a mutual friend. I sent you the previous video. Crazy things happen. Treat people well like family. Good karma. Act, treat people like family. You're a friend of a friend in serendipity and little faith. They called me up from California and said, hey, we have a friend. They mentioned, you do good business. We're looking for a 3-2 with a pool and 2-car garage and some side parking for motorcycles. I said, what area you want to be? They said, well, around like Paradise Valley type area, like Thunderbird, Cactus, 35th. I go, are you joking me? I have that property in escrow right now. They said, you gotta be kidding me. Here we are, I closed on the house. They drove in from California, you can see their plates, and they're gonna be buying the house. We got the crews behind you over here that are ready to prep this. They're closing in 30 days. We're gonna do a custom quick remodel, turn it over to them, and the rest is history. So what you're gonna see today is some enhancement decisions. That's a cool looking floor. We're gonna make some decisions on flooring, maybe some paint, opening up some walls a little bit. We're plastering the pool and custom tile and some landscaping plans. Time is money and the time is now, so we are being extremely proactive because we have 30 days, run a time crunch. They already have their financing, they've opened escrow, we've executed the contract. Now the rest is on me to perform and make sure that I'm providing them exactly what they want in the time period. Let's bring the boys in here, Sergio and Jose. Let's talk about the game plan so they can start seeing. So these guys build my multi-million-dollar homes. These guys are experts. So they're gonna be handling all this. They're the professionals. So let's start talking. Originally, we wanna open all this up to expose this whole back room and see the pool. So I wanna start opening up this wall. We're gonna remove this cabinet, of course, probably run a beam because I'm sure this wall is low bearing. We already started opening up over here. You guys saw, you can see that this was an original back wall. So we're gonna have to get some sort of support, maybe shoring as you take it down and run a beam. And then additionally, they wanna reframe this room, pull this out as well. Probably take this across, you have a nice larger open back room. And then we were talking today, great minds think alike. This cabinet's gonna go in the laundry room so we can repurpose it. And then probably running a header in here, which would be super cool, with a barn door coming in from off the laundry room. It's exactly the vision, is that right?
Yes.
100%, that's what I was thinking about. How can we maximize this space?
Both were thinking that separately the other night.
Which is crazy. So I'm like, I don't like the functionality of walking around. I mean, you walk through the garage and you go into a great laundry area, which you guys will see on film, and then walk through this big back, room, and then come back into the kitchen. It's a waste of space. Now, aesthetically, you can put a dope little sliding barn door, make it super cute. This will be a nice little informal dining area, and it just flows. I mean, that's really the game plan. So that's it. We're also taking up all these floors. The front floor is all this, and the back to make it conforming. Probably other bunch of little, changing out fixtures and things of that nature. So time to get to work. These guys had a long day. They were working on another home, but I said, hey, I need you. When you treat your guys well, right? They show up. Is that right? He's tired, he's ready to sleep. Same with Jose. So on this area though, the other thing too is there's access to the outside if we want to even just frame this in and block off that door there too. So if we're gonna frame this across, you're gonna have 2 doors. I don't know if you want 2 doors here, but we could just drywall that in too. But we can see how it looks after they frame it. That's nothing. Once this comes out, then you make a decision on what you want to do there. And for sure, framing this all the way across. But you're definitely gonna need a beam here. I mean, this is all block here and stucco, so you can see it exposed right here and feel it. That's why we opened it up. And then this should not be an issue. You can tell this was stucco too. This looks hollow, so I doubt this is just a temporary wall. You probably could. You're welcome to. Now, no, liability on film. Liability on film. Kick at your own risk. But these guys actually have the appropriate tools to open it up and figure it out. I guess we can keep the TV for the laundry room too, so you can do your laundry and watch the games and cycle events or whatnot. This is a wood plank. Oh no, this is a huge tile. The only thing is this. Here's my initial thoughts. I'll tell you right away. I love this look, but the space is not that big and it's thin, so I'd probably go with a thinner just because it makes it feel bigger. You almost want to use a bigger tile in a bigger space. This space is not that big, and additionally, because these floors are not perfect, you may have issues over time with some sort of cracking with this. By working with a smaller tile, we can mitigate some of that. Of course, they're gonna float the floors. So in terms of looks, they're pretty similar. So my take would be, in terms of color and scheme, they're pretty similar. This is a little bit darker, but I like them both personally, but it's not about me. It's all about you guys choose whatever you want. I would go with this just because of the way the house is, the space. On this space, do you think it'd be a problem to lay this huge tile because the floor is not exactly level? You do think so. I think they're gonna experience some issues in terms of breaking long term? For sure. So you would go with a smaller tile? For sure, got it. I mean, you could float the floors a lot, but you still think they're gonna have... Self-leveling, but even after the self-level, you think they'd have problems with this?
No.
Okay. So what we're doing now is marking the entrance here. Let's write, but spray door. I want you to write door and then ballpark here and there. But also we'll do it on the opposite side so the guys know. Sergio's coming back, so we should see him in a little bit. Oh yeah, it's official. Door. Woo!
Door.
Love it. Come on through here. Let's pull.
Let's pull these guys out. Oh, they
Nope. Okay. Boom. You can almost start to see where they were gonna cut before. See that there may have been a door in here before. I'm serious. Check this out. Why is this cracked before? They almost maybe filled it. Potentially, look, all this was cocked. If there's a lentil up there, it would be huge. Door. Oh! Busted that off.
The knobs are fine, they can stay. That's an easy change anyway, and go from there.
Paint for sure. But these are gonna require a sand just because of the finish. You're gonna have to sand the shit out of them. But they're not cheap cabinets, you can tell. So they're solid, good wood.
You can tell they've been really maintained well.
And then,
Of course, consider this.
yeah, that's
This
easy.
is cheap, easy.
Yeah, cheap, easy. Do that at the end and then the backsplash. Guys, just to be sure, no house is ever sold, no deal's ever done until it's done. But in this circumstance, something that's unique about this property is there are a lot of bells throughout the house. I'm not sure why. So I thought it'd only be appropriate just to make sure, and it's on film, that if you guys 100% want this house, great. And if you don't, no hard feelings. If you want the house, I'm just gonna ask you to do one thing, ring the bell, and if you don't, no hard feelings. So the big question is, do you want the house?
We want that house.
Oh, there it is. Sold, sold. Matt and Devin's new house. Welcome to Arizona, baby. Sunny Arizona. Congratulations. Woo. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this amazing journey of Matt and Devin, my new friends. They're not even just business colleagues, and we're now just friends. See them coming over for drinks in the very, very near future. Welcome to Arizona. Thanks for watching this incredible story of serendipity, luck, good karma, friendship, and the evolution of a new home here in Arizona. So please like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you need anything, reach out. We got you covered.